In this video, I'll be doing a basic repair to one of two gates that we have in the front of the house, mainly because of these guys here. Mono's about 160 pounds at least, and he tends to throw himself at the gate, depending on who's on the other side. Now what you see here is a repair I did in the late spring of 2019. And this involved 3 repairs. One's called easy repair. You see here these brackets here. And then in the corner post, it's the post doctor. And then I used some galvanized metal strips that I got from Home Depot. You see one here and on the other one over here. Now this post that you see there that looks kind of new, that's part of the repair. I've actually already started it. I didn't want to make the video too long, but that's what I did. I dug a hole about 2 feet deep, about 1 foot in diameter, and I used a little gravel, some brick, and about 75 pounds of concrete. And then I put this 2x4 board to really anchor it to the fence, or the side of the gate here, if you want. So right now I'm putting in some 3-inch wood screws. I did, well, actually I'm doing the pilot hole here. I've already put some screws, as you can see here. And I just wanted to put a few more, so I'm drilling a few more pilot holes, and then I'll be putting in some more 3-inch wood screws. Now if I didn't have dogs, or at least dogs the size that I have, I probably wouldn't be doing this. But I just want to play it safe. I don't want either one of my dogs to get loose and injure somebody. The one I'm worried about, of course, is Mono. It's more aggressive, very territorial. And we have winds up to 35 miles an hour gusting on a regular basis, especially this time of year. Ordinarily, I probably wouldn't do this. The repair I did almost 2 years ago would be okay for most situations, but I just want to play it safe. This bracket that I have here really anchors the post to the fence. Actually a gate, but it's the side of the gate here. And the other repair I did actually is holding up pretty good. When I finished the repair back in 2019, like I said, in the spring, I didn't publish the video until actually September of 2019, and I will put a link on the description if you want to view how I did those other repairs. On another section I used the Sika mix, which is an alternative to concrete. More convenient, only a few ounces, within like 13, 14 ounces. So more convenient than buying a 50-pound bag, or actually for this one I actually bought 3 50-pound bags. I put 75 pounds on each of these holes. Here's the other one that I started. I actually started one there. You see the hole there on the other side, but I was about 1 foot deep on it, and then I hit a PVC irrigation pipe. I didn't break it. I did try it out, check it out afterwards. So I decided I better come over here, because I do have lines of for my irrigation running along the sides here. And it turns out I didn't expect one to be running right in front of the fence here. So I had to switch over. These post hole diggers are very convenient. I like to loosen up the dirt a little bit. And really took my time over actually 3 days. Because even though I used the quick set concrete, I gave it a day. I did that other hoe and then put the concrete in with water and then didn't anchor anything until the following day. So this is actually over a 3-day period, so I just took my time. There was no emergency or anything. Like I said, the fence I thought was in decent condition, but I just wanted to play it safe. Like I said in the first post here, this is the first post I did, 2 feet deep. This is 4 by 4 by 8 feet, 4 inch by 4 inch by 8 feet. I didn't cut it. I just went down to 2 feet, give or take an inch or so, and then set it in with the concrete with a little bit of a rock. And here's the other one. Took me over an hour. Took my time, like I said, to dig this hole, 2 feet. And like I said, I put more on the other one because on this one I ran out, but I used some stone, a little bit of gravel, some brick. I'm trying to get this thing level, but like I said, the fence itself was never straight, even when I did the other repair. So, and even though you want to have the post right in the center of the hole, because of what I'm going to do, and use it as a support, it's kind of hard to really put it in the center. It's going to be too far from the fence to anchor it. But so there's the concrete, using my post hole digger to kind of keep it in place. And these are handy. You don't really need them. You can use a regular shovel, and I have in the past. But it's very convenient to have one of these. Makes it easier to dig the hole and get it in. And like I said, sometimes I don't even measure. I just do it, and at the end, yeah, it turns out to be 1 to 1 foot in diameter. And the way I test the depth is I just put the post in there. Once I think I get close to 2 feet, and if it's not quite 2 feet or below the top where it's supposed to be, I dig some more. And like I said, ordinarily I probably would have used Sika mix, but that Sika mix is about over $12, and the 50-pound bag of concrete is about $5. So couldn't find the Sika mix anyway at Home Depot when I went, so I just settled for the concrete. And you can see again, I'm going to put another board over here on this side, nail it, and then anchor the post to try to keep the post, the fence supported. Concrete is getting hard now. And I can see here I've already, it's already the next day. So I have some screws already in there. Like I said, those are 3-inch screws. This one is a little bit further back than the other one was. The other one was pretty much touching on the other side, but I'm going to see if I can anchor it the same way. Now this corner post right here, that's where I used the post doctor. That one was really rotten. That one was really rotten. The concrete though was in good condition on all of these, so I was able to wedge, and that's the key with these this easy mender. If you have the concrete in good shape, you can wedge it between the post and the concrete and it'll stay in there and then give the post support. Okay, so the concrete hardened, covered it up, and you can see it has some other braces that I added over here, right there, and there on the corner there with the posts, and over here on this side I put some extra ones. I probably don't need those. Probably could have done without that, but put those in there. So again, I will put a link in the description in case you want to see those other 4 types of repairs that I showed in the video regarding how to support a leaning fence. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.